Wow.
Typical food, Costa Rica.
Typical Costa Rican food? What is this called?
Soup of the
What's your
of the
carne?
rig,
Corn?
Carrots.
Uh-huh. Wow, that smells really good. That's awesome. You got chicken here. And is that pork? Yeah. Okay, we are here in Huacas, Costa Rica. It's a town outside of Tamarindo, about I'd say 8 to 10 kilometers, and we wanted to try some Costa Rican barbecue. So we stopped by this restaurant here off the side of the road called, what is it called? Grill Alberito. And yeah, so we've never been here before, we don't know anything about it. At the same time, they were grilling outside and the smoke was just rolling off the grill. So we stopped by here and we'll try it out and show you guys what they have to offer here. So. We were just ready to order, and the person that came and took our order said that what we were ordering was enough for 4 people. And so we decided we'll take some food back with us to the hotel. But anyways, this is supposed to be a very big plate of meat, but we wanted to kind of show you guys a different kind of barbecue they have here. And the smaller menu size had 2 meats, so we got the one that had 3 meats. So we'll try that. And yeah, definitely bringing food back with us. My wife ordered a drink here called Cas, and I'll go ahead and take a sip and try this out. Very good. Oh man, it's so chilled. It's really good. This Cas is Costa Rican guava. Tastes a little bit in between a pear and a citrus like lime or lemon juice. It's really good. And for me, I got my traditional Fanta Naranja orange. And my Fanta orange. I like it, they give you a big ice cube in here, which is kind of cool. Okay, we weren't expecting this. The dish that we were filming earlier, the big stew that they're making with the vegetables and the meat, they're so kind to bring us each a small bowl to try it out. Oh wow, this is really a bunch of flavor. They've been stewing this for a long time, so the flavor is very rich. You can taste all the vegetables, sweetness from the carrots and onions. Taste the meat here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Look at this big piece of meat in here. Okay guys, I think we made a huge mistake here. Actually, no, we didn't make a mistake, but it's a lot of food. Yeah, they told us it was enough for 4 people, but we didn't realize. It literally is enough for 4 people, and we will be definitely taking some food home with us. But yeah, they have pork, they have chicken, they have sausage. They also have corn tortillas, and also yuca fries and patacones, which is the green plantains that are smashed and deep fried. And they have some pico de gallo, and also I think they have some refried beans. So you got a lot of food here. On top of that, they gave us the soup. Vegetable soup that they had made earlier on the side. Yeah. Also, something really nice, they have this pickled spicy vegetable on the side here on the tables, and these are really good to help cut through some of the fat that you're gonna be eating. So have some of this pickled veggies along with the meat. That way it'll help you to be able to eat more meat. I guess I'm gonna start with the chicken. Simple thing. Chicken leg here. And, yeah, just part of the chicken leg here. Really tender. Just came off the bone here. I love the chicken skin. A lot of spice, seasoned. So good. Make sure you get some of these pickled veggies on the side here. Just right amount of heat. Really good. I'll give one of these yuca a try here. It's perfectly fried. Really tender. Also, they salted the outside, so really good. Oh, wonderful yuca fry. All right, try a piece of the pork. Looks really fatty. Really good. Oh wow. Perfectly seasoned. Has a smoky flavor to it too. It's not like slow smoked barbecue like you get in Texas, but it has the smoke flavor as well as it's has a good bite to it. It's so good. Let's give it a try here. A little bit different. It's a little bit more soft and more ground. It doesn't have the snap as much, but it's really good. It's well seasoned flavor. I'll tell you what, I'm really enjoying this barbecue, to be honest with you. This is about half the price that we had at our Picatas restaurant. We went into Tamarindo. And these smaller towns, mom and pop restaurants, provide you this all fresh, good quality food, right? At a good price. This whole entire meal is costing us half of what we paid in the more tourist area of Tamarindo. So if you're visiting Tamarindo, I highly recommend stop by some of these small towns outside Tamarindo, and you'd be surprised what kind of food you get, as well as the quantity of food you get. I mean, literally, this is less than half of what we paid in Tamarindo at Picatas. So, just a suggestion. If you're looking at the good restaurant, try this restaurant here. Okay, I'm gonna try some of this patacones. It's one of my favorite things to eat here in Costa Rica. So, like I said, green plantain that is smashed and then fried. And yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is so crispy on the outside, but tender in the middle. Now, this is a patacones. Really good. Love the savory green plantain. It's really good. Dip it in there. Yeah. It's a black bean dip. Oh, here you go. Yeah, I can't stress this enough how much more I'm enjoying this meal. This is just spot on. Wow, amazing. And like I mentioned earlier, it's just off the side of the road coming into Huacas, and here you are at a local barbecue restaurant that offers you all this good food at an affordable price. Okay. My wife just showed me this, there's a cheese fry on here. I don't know if that's part of it or not, but give it a shot. Oh my God, that is so good.
Pick cheese curd.
Oh, that is part of the meal. They have cheese curds. I mean, well, cheese fries or cheese curds. If you're from like the Wisconsin area in the States, you know what cheese curds are. But yeah, they have fried cheese curds here. That is so good. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. Way too much food, but at the same time, we had a wonderful time here. I highly, highly recommend, if you guys are in the Tamarindo area here in Costa Rica, stop by Huacas and try this restaurant out. I would guarantee you that this is gonna be an amazing meal if you try this dish. We had 3 different kinds of meats. We had cheese curds, plantain, tortillas, we had patacones, and we had yuca. And yeah, on top of that, the staff was here was so nice. They let us film everything to show you guys what the meat looks like in the grill, as well as they gave us the special soup. That's a beef stew kind of soup. Amazing, amazing dish. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I always appreciate you guys' support. And we'll see you back in the next video. Bye.